In the early 2020s, the U.S. military deployed over $1 billion worth of advanced equipment to active war zones, including MQ-9 Reaper drones, JLTV armored vehicles, and Sig Sauer rifles. These systems promised cutting-edge precision and reliability. However, internal Pentagon reports later revealed that 15% of gear shipped failed initial field tests. The rush to meet procurement deadlines often bypassed rigorous quality checks, setting the stage for catastrophic failures. Within weeks of deployment, soldiers reported malfunctions. M4 carbines jammed in sandstorms, drone GPS systems lost signal mid-mission, and encrypted radios overheated. A 2022 Army audit found that 1 in 5 electronic warfare devices required emergency repairs. These minor issues, dismissed by contractors as teething problems, diverted precious combat resources to makeshift fixes, eroding trust in billion-dollar systems. During a 2023 ambush, a $400,000 JLTV armored vehicle stalled due to a faulty fuel pump, trapping a squad under enemy fire. The Marines abandoned the vehicle, later discovering its manufacturer had ignored a known design flaw. This incident was among 37 critical failures documented that year, linking 14 soldier fatalities directly to equipment defects. A Pentagon task force uncovered alarming gaps. 60% of defective gear came from contractors with histories of OSHA violations. Testing shortcuts were rampant. For example, drones were approved after lab trials but never tested in desert conditions. Whistleblowers revealed pressure to accept good enough equipment to meet congressional budget deadlines. Leaked emails showed executives at major firms prioritized shareholder profits over battlefield reliability. One contractor reused Vietnam-era wiring in new radios to save $8 per unit. Government audits found 12% of equipment budgets were wasted on rework, yet contracts were renewed due to lobbying, exposing a cycle of corporate impunity. Troops resorted to duct tape, 3D-printed parts, and stolen enemy gear to compensate. A 2024 Marine Corps study found 89% of units modified issued equipment. One sergeant famously rewired a drone with PlayStation components. These adaptations highlighted the military's over-reliance on untested technology and the resilience of frontline personnel. Veterans testified before Congress about defective gear, citing a 300% rise in non-combat injuries since 2020. The Washington Post revealed $220 million in equipment was scrapped before use. Lawmakers proposed the Battlefield Reliability Act, but reforms stalled amid defense industry donations totaling $27 million in election cycles. The Pentagon announced sweeping changes, including third-party testing and penalties for defective gear. Yet, 70% of 2025's budget still went to the same contractors. A GAO report noted only 1 in 3 promised fixes were implemented. Critics called it accountability theater, while soldiers received upgraded versions of flawed systems. As of 2026, 40% of deployed equipment still carries unresolved defects. A tragic case involved a repaired grenade launcher misfiring during training, killing 2. Analysts warn that without systemic overhaul, the U.S. risks losing wars not to enemies but to its own broken supply chain, where cost-cutting trumps combat readiness.